So I'm in the process of installing a radio and the PT, so I'm going to put an RB1 in here. And in this video, as you probably see by the title, I'm going to kind of show you how to add aux to pretty much any, I think, pre-2006 Chrysler up to, well, down to like 1996, I think. I don't know, I guess it depends. So what I got going on is I got an RB1, which you can have whatever radio you want, as long as it says, here's a good example. Here's the old radio. You'll see on it, on the bottom left, it says mode. As far as I'm aware, as long as it says mode on it, but I mean, there's probably some more, you have to look up part numbers and stuff, but what I'm doing is on Amazon, I bought this car aux adapter. So this plugs directly in the back of the radio itself and has an aux cable that comes off of it. Now, I'm going to make a cleaner, more professional solution for this, if it will focus on this crap. Well, anyway, so instead of having a random cable just dangling down in here, I'm going to install this Phillips 3.5 millimeter jack, so aux cord. I'm going to put it, drill a hole right here in the center of this blank. I'm going to take this this whole thing out, unplug it, and then do some cross measurements. So take the height and width and all that stuff, divide it and find the center of it and drill a hole, put this in it. So let's go ahead and take that out. Okay, so I got the little aux box installed. So here is the, if it'll focus, the little aux thing. Drilled a 5/16 hole into the front of that blank. Have it with a nut holding it down. Then you got your aux cord, goes up in here. And velcroed the aux box into the interior down there, so it'll be out of the way, not rattle around and stuff. And then I think these are 12-volt constant. This blue and pink wire, and this will vary depending on each car though. I have it wired to that yellow wire like it says to. I think it's supposed to be an amp. I don't know. But I'm going to plug the radio in and test it real quick and see how that goes. Okay, so here's the aux plugged in. Here's the radio, got the antenna and all that stuff working. Now, ideally, if you hit CD aux, it picks up that there's a CD player plugged into it, which is not. It's just that box that's underneath there, the aux box. And now I should be able to play audio. Oh, shit. Yep. So that's working. So now I just gotta button all this garbage up. Alright, so here's the radio in. Got the aux port right there, and this is the RB1 on. So turn the radio on. And normally it's like on, the radio like this. Go ahead and plug the cord in. Need aux. Acts like it has a disc in it. There you go. So yeah, that was really simple.